Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can add your Kaufland card to your Google Wallet, or in this case Google Pay. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Google Wallet app, or formerly known as Google Pay, you would just need to click on this plus icon in the bottom right corner. And from here you have a few different options for adding a card. So because this is a Kaufland loyalty card, we will select loyalty card right here. Now in this menu right here you have a lot of different loyalty card providers, so we would just need to select Kaufland right here. And here you can scan it if you want, or you can enter the code manually. So I will scan it. So as you can see, it's pretty instantaneous, and now I will just tap Add to Wallet. And there we go. So after you scan the loyalty card barcode, all info will be inputted to your Google Wallet automatically, and here is how that card looks like after you add it to Google Pay. So as you can see, the Kaufland card is now added right here. So that's guys how you can add a Kaufland loyalty card to your Google Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.